Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Welcome to the Essential Guide for Clocking In with the Workforce app, updated for 2025. This quick tutorial ensures you master the new process, accurately recording your time effortlessly each day. We'll walk through every single step, making sure your daily clock-in is smooth and completely trouble-free. Getting this right means your work hours are always perfectly documented, reflecting your dedication accurately and consistently. First, locate and tap the Workforce app icon on your smartphone or tablet screen. Make sure you have downloaded the latest version, identified clearly with 2025 in its update description. Once open, enter your unique username and password into the designated fields. If you ever forget your details, simply use the Forgot Password link for a quick reset. This initial step is crucial for secure access. Once inside the app, your next mission is to find the Clock in /Out button. This is typically located right on the main dashboard, or sometimes within a clear bottom navigation bar for quick access. Keep an eye out for a prominent, clearly labeled button to avoid any confusion. If you don't see it immediately, check under a menu option like Time Card or My Schedule to reveal it. Before you tap that final clock-in button, take a moment to carefully review the shift details presented on your screen. Double-check the date, your start time, and the specific department or project assigned. This quick verification step is absolutely essential for accuracy, preventing any mix-ups with your scheduled hours. Once everything looks correct, confidently tap Clock In to officially begin your workday. Occasionally, technology might not cooperate perfectly. If your clock-in isn't working, first try restarting the app completely or checking your device's internet connection. For more persistent issues, please do not hesitate to reach out directly to your supervisor or the HR department. They are there to help resolve any technical difficulties. Remember, consistently clocking in correctly is crucial for accurate payroll and your peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.